Hello, today I'm coming to you from Bomb Studio in downtown Brooklyn. This is me and my husband's art loft studio, which we do photo shoots in and rent out for small, private, intimate events. I'm doing this newsletter here today because today I'm going to be talking about artists in residency in New York City, particularly in SoHo and NoHo neighborhoods. So in the 70s, the city established a joint living working quarters for artists. In short, JLWQA lofts. And this was basically because a lot of the artists were residing in these lofts and it was created protections for them. Over time, those artist lofts became very desirable real estate because of the square footage and architectural details, and many non-artists began to purchase them. And for the longest time, since the 70s, there's been no enforcement on whether whoever's purchasing is in fact an artist in residence until 2021. In 2021, the city proposed rezoning that would take these artist lofts and convert them into regular residential units. And this zoning was proposed in 2021 and has been in the courts up until now, not enforced. However, the rezoning would mandate owners who need to convert the artist lofts into residential lofts to pay $100 per square foot to the Arts Fund, which means if you have a 2,500 square foot loft, that you'd be paying $250,000 just to convert your unit into illegal zoning. All these lofts in NoHo and SoHo, Tribeca that have been deemed artist in residency before would just be sold, and you'd sign a disclosure saying that I understand this is an artist in residency if you weren't an artist yourself. But if you're an owner or a buyer, seller who is not an artist and you need to convert the units, it could mean hundreds of thousands of dollars when you go to sell. It could be either negotiated into the price, or it could just be an upfront fee that sellers are hit with when they're looking to sell or buy and convert. For now, it's unknown when things are going to take into effect and when they're going to be enforced and so on and so forth. But it is something, if you are looking to buy or sell a loft in the NoHo SoHo area that is deemed artist in residency loft or a loft for artists, and you're not an artist, then you could be looking at potential hiccups in a deal, or it might be beneficial if you're a buyer. You can negotiate more on these lofts. It is yet to be determined, but it's something to know about. Looking to have more updates on how this rezoning shapes out and what happens when people do need to start converting and these laws aren't enforced. And also looking forward to what that may mean for the artist community now that the Arts Fund is getting so much money. I know what it's like to be an artist, or at least married to one, here at Bomb Studio. And if you're looking to buy or sell a loft or do any creative endeavors in a loft, as always, I'm here to help.